Using Raspberry Pi Connect. Want to access your Raspberry Pi from anywhere without needing to plug in a monitor, keyboard, or mouse? Let's set up Raspberry Pi Connect so we can easily control the Raspberry Pi remotely. It's easy. Click on the top right icon that looks like this. Click, then select Turn on Raspberry Pi Connect. Next, you'll need to sign in with a free Raspberry Pi account. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. I already have an account, so I'll sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be asked to name your new device. I'll name mine My Raspy. This account will link your Pi to the cloud so you can access it remotely. Now, I'm going to connect to my Pi from my laptop. I'm going to open up a browser and go to connect.raspberrypi.com. Log in with the same Raspberry Pi account. You'll see your registered Raspberry Pi device here. Click Connect Via, then Screen Sharing. Boom, you're connected to your Pi's desktop remotely. It works over the internet, so you can use your Pi even when you're away from it. That's it.